Welcome to the Department of Greenhouse Management of SP Mandali's Ram Narayan Ruia Autonomous College. After finishing your 12th standard examination, you are at the threshold of selecting a lucrative career. The basis of selection of a career should be your interest and the passion. How much would you like to enjoy your job? How ready are you to upgrade yourself? What is the future scope of growth? And of course, the remunerations and the perks. So, first, you have to identify your interest, develop your skill in the interest area, and then go for a career option. One of the interesting upcoming career options is greenhouse cultivation. World population is continuously increasing, leading to the ever increasing demand of food. Awareness about healthy food is also increasing. This graph is therefore always in the rise. It's time that younger generation think of agriculture, rather smart agriculture, as a career. Thus, coming ahead is an era of smart agriculture, and to top the list is greenhouse technology and greenhouse management eventually. The advantages of greenhouse cultivation would be year-round production of floriculture crops, off-season production of vegetable and fruit crops, higher yield and early crop cycle, efficient utilization of chemicals, pesticides to control pests and diseases, water requirement of crop very limited and easy to control, leading to consumption of water, hardening of tissue cultured plants, production of uniform quality produce, most useful in monitoring and controlling the instability of various ecological systems. Modern technique of hydroponics, aeroponics and aquaponics are efficiently carried out under greenhouse cultivation. Greenhouse technology involves growing construction of greenhouse, growing greenhouse, the produce in the greenhouse, harvesting them, sorting, grading, packaging, distributing, marketing of the greenhouse produce. So all these steps requires lot of manpower, and this is where you can have your lucrative career. Under greenhouse cultivation technology, one can carry out soil cultivation as well as soil cultivation. The career options could be an operator in a greenhouse, analyst, supervisor, assistant manager, and finally you may acquire a greenhouse of your own. Self-employment is another thing wherein you can become an entrepreneur, you can become consultant in various fields, you can become a supplier or a distributor of various equipment required to execute the cultivation in a greenhouse. Further career options could be distribution of farm products, food processing industry, packaging industry, fertilizer industry, seed company, soil testing laboratory, nursery. Now, where can you do this? You can learn the technique of greenhouse management in under the BWOC course in greenhouse management conducted in SP Mandali's Ram Narayan Ruia College. This is the only college in Mumbai offering this course. This course is recognized by UGC, affiliated to University of Mumbai under the Skill Development Program under the flagship of Prime Minister's Kaushal Kendra. The syllabus is framed by ASCI, that is Agriculture Skill Council of India, with the power to improvise upon by the Board of Studies, RUIA being an autonomous college. The curriculum is divided into skill component as well as general component. The aim of the course is to create entrepreneurs. We do work with hands in hand with our industry partners who help us identify the skill gap, upgrade the syllabus according to the requirement of the industry. They also help us in finding internships and placements. The course has multiple exit as well as entry points. So after 1 year, if a candidate wish to exit, he can exit and he gets a diploma in greenhouse management. After 2 years, he gets advanced diploma in greenhouse management, and if he completes all the 3 years, he gets BVoc in greenhouse management. We have lot of field visits. We have lot of guest lecturers coming in. The internship is mandatory, and campus placement is also a feature of this course. Curriculum, we are continuous teaching soil and water management, integrated nutrient management, integrated pest and disease management, protected cultivation, communication and ICT skills, environmental skills, harvesting, business and managerial skills, marketing and supply chain management, accounting, post harvest management, and value addition. These are the practicals that we conduct, and we conduct lot of trainings and internship for our students. These are the infrastructures. We have got polyhouse, we have got hydro farms, we've got various types of all the types rather of soilless cultivation, the soil cultivation. We have got, after completing the course, we have got our students, those who have already started off with their own business in the field of greenhouse construction, greenhouse cultivation, bonsai making and selling, organic cultivation, landscaping, terrariums, and urban farming. We conduct lot of campus placements, and through the campus placements our students are placed in various industries. So the choice is yours. Make the right choice, make the great choice.